Join us for the first of many adventures exploring the Cambodian countryside. After negotiating the hustle and bustle of Phnom Penh, we uncover some hidden gems rarely visited by Westerners off the well-worn tourist trail. Good morning from Phnom Penh, and welcome to a new chapter for Adventure Unlimited.
Yep. Bit of a change, but we're going exploring today.
Yep, been here 5 days, worked out how the land lies around our apartment, got everything set up, bought a bike, and now we're going to go check out some waterfalls. So where we're going, it's about 100 k's out of the city. Should take about 2 hours, and looking forward to taking you along for the ride as we get out of the city and go check out some 7-story waterfalls. So we're about halfway to the waterfalls. Stopped for a little break. Put some more sunscreen on. Man, 60 k's on that thing feels like 120 in a car when you got all these fleshy bits. No control.
You gotta have trust.
I do have trust, but I was thinking about how much I trusted you, and then I was thinking about how many times you've crashed.
I've never crashed with you on me.
No, this is true. It's always the first.
So, we've made it somewhere. Google Maps took us down this goat track, which led to this spot. We can't go any further. Waterfalls are that way, there's water here, so I guess we're just on foot now.
The reviews did say that the track-in was pretty bad, so I wasn't surprised by it, but yeah, we're not where Google said to go to drive to for the start of the hike, and we're not where it says the falls actually are. So, but this is nice, and we're out of the city and there's no one around, so we're gonna go for an explore and I think a swim.
Yep.
It's stonking.
Stonking hot. Been on the bike for 2 hours, so we've gotten warmed up nicely. Yep. See where we actually end up and if we make it back.
Well, it doesn't look like there's any way to walk up to these falls, so we're just gonna get into our swimmers and try and swim and climb up there. They look real nice. Real nice. It's like an infinity pool. First trip. Not where we meant to be, but not bad.
There's no people, so.
So we're gonna get our kit back on and keep exploring around here. Magic part of the world. Well, we have made it to the waterfalls that we were originally going for. Definitely a lot more peoply.
A lot of people.
So I'll put the name of the waterfall down the bottom because my pronunciation is going to be no good. But basically there's 7 waterfalls all the way up this mountain. Yeah, the further up you get and the higher the waterfalls, the less people there are because people are lazy. So at the moment we are at Waterfall 2 and we are being lazy. We have stopped for a beverage.
Yeah. Cold, refreshing water.
Beer flavoured water. 5% water. So yeah, we're going to keep, after this we're going to keep heading up and try and find some waterfalls that don't have as many people. And the entry fee is 2,000 riel to store your helmets.
It's entry fee to get up, which was 2,000, and then it was 2,000 to store the helmets and the bike.
Yeah. So 4,000 riel, which is about $1 US, so $1.30 Australian. Peanuts really, to come in and enjoy a wildlife sanctuary with a whole bunch of waterfalls. So
It's more expensive beers.
Yeah.
7,000 real.
yeah, which is about $2.20 Australian. So can't really complain. All right, we're gonna finish these and then keep trekking up. How bloody cool is that? Time for a swim. something biting Paul. Oh man.
Well, that was pretty bloody cool. Kept tracking up, and we're now at the top of where we were just swimming.
Well, I think this might be the end, or very close to it. We must be near the top of the mountain, because when you look around, it doesn't go up a whole lot further.
I think if we go any further, we're going to get our feet wet
Yeah.
across here.
Yeah, so I think we might turn around and head back to Phnom Penh shortly. Highly recommend checking out this part of the world. First of many day trips and exploration around Cambodia, but so far living up to expectations. Hopefully in the next couple of weeks we'll have a four-wheel drive. Still got to sort through some logistics first before we can purchase the vehicle. Hopefully you've enjoyed this episode, and we'll catch you in the next one. And holy shit, a kid just jumped from a boulder and he almost smashed his head.